Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your own stream with the Open Broadcaster software. It's pretty easy. It's free to download. I use it through Twitch, but I'm assuming you can use it through other services too as well. Twitch is pretty much just the easiest. There are a couple of paid versions of broadcasting software. This is the one I use just because it's free. It's pretty easy to set up too as well. I'm actually using it to record this video right now. So basically, I'll show you guys how to set this up. First thing you want to do is obviously download it from their website. I believe that they have it for Mac as well if you want to broadcast off of a Mac. So first, you're going to go here through the settings, and you're just going to go through each one of these categories and just pick through each one. Most of these are going to be set to what you want to keep it at anyway. Probably don't want to mess with it. You don't really need to mess with this stuff too much unless you want to. But the max bit rate, mine was automatically set to 1,000 kilobytes. I just left it as that. You could probably put it as better than that if you wanted to. But I haven't noticed any issues with my stream at all, so I just left it where it is. And then you could put your own buffer size if you want. Broadcast settings. This part's very important. You can set it to file output only. This is if you just want to record. If you don't want to stream, I stream and record it to my computer, which I'll show you how to do that in a second. Streaming service. I'm using Twitch. This drop-down menu right here, is where you pick. You can use any one of these. Right here, you're going to pick the server that's closest to you, which would be Miami for me since I live in Orlando. This path stream key, this part is the part that you might have a little bit of trouble with. I'll show you where to grab that right here. So basically, you go to Twitch, sign into your account. You're going to go to Dashboard, and you're going to go to Stream Key. Now I'm not going to click this just because everyone's stream key is going to be different, but you just click Show Key right here, copy, paste it, and then put it into here. Now there is a bug with Open Broadcaster software where sometimes the stream key is not going to work, so you're going to want to mess with it. As you can see right over here, I'm recording right now, but if I hit stop, I can preview the stream. Or actually, you can just start stream if you want, and that way it gets sent to Twitch, and then you can just keep it open on your computer and use it that way, just to make sure that you're getting it right. You might have to do the key up to 10 times. Actually, it could take that. So if you're not getting it the first couple of times, you can reset it on Twitch. When you do that show key, there's a link right next to it that says give me a new key. Just keep clicking that until it works. You'll get it. It's this software for some reason just doesn't take it automatically sometimes. I just got a brand new computer. It worked first time for me on this one, but the last computer I had, it took me almost 8 times for it to work. So don't worry, it's not any issue with your stream key. It's just the software. You just got to keep trying. So here in all these settings, if it ever goes out, I have it to reconnect. Here's where I have it to record to as well. I do this so that way when I'm done streaming, I can upload it to YouTube if I want. I click this automatically save stream to file, pick a path to put it in, and then that way, anytime I'm done streaming, it just gets sent to that folder, and then I can upload it to YouTube or edit it if I need to. So that's pretty much it for that section. Video. This is where you pick like your graphics card. The resolution, which my monitors are 16,000 by 900. You can downscale the resolution if you want to. Now this FPS right here, they have it set to 30. I bumped it up to 35 because I had it at 45 and I was noticing a little bit of issues, so I just put it down to 35. Now this is going to completely depend on your internet as well. One thing you can do is just check your internet speed. Let's go to speedtest.net and check it right on here. Now, download speed's not going to be what you're looking for. You're going to be looking for upload speed. Depending on your upload speed, you'll be able to tell whether you want to bump it up past the 30 that it's initially set to. So I'm getting about 10, which 10 or 11, which is good. It's pretty good, but it's not. I wouldn't say it's enough to go full 60 FPS. So I just leave mine at 30. You can watch some of my streams on my YouTube channel if you want, and if you're not really going to see any quality issues, I think, with what I have it set to. So 35 is fine for me. Audio, here you can have it set to like what you want to put the audio through. Now, one thing I had to do, which I don't really understand why, but you can actually boost the volume of your mic, or like the sound coming through your desktop. I actually had to boost my mic by 20, which is kind of a lot. For some reason, when I was talking, you couldn't hear me at all with my mic. It's not that I don't have a good mic, because when I'm using Skype and all kinds of other things, everyone hears me perfectly. It's just for some reason, that's what this was using. So over here you can do hotkeys, you can do whatever you want to set up. I don't really care about push to talk. If I'm going to be talking, I'll just let it pick me up. But you can set it to mute your mic, start stream, all of that. So you can mess with that if you want. Advanced, now in here I kind of just left everything the same. I was going through the the settings in here, and I didn't really see anything that I really wanted to mess with. But I mean, if you guys feel free to mess around with it, find out what's going to be best for you. Didn't really do anything in here, and this I messed with a little bit too as well, just because if I'm ever streaming and I have the sound going through my speakers, you can set the threshold for where your mic will mute it, so that way people aren't getting feedback from your computer. But I mean, most of the time I'm using my headset, so no one's really going to hear my audio. Duplicates of it going through my headset. So, and then last thing I'll show you guys is how you get it set up. Is this scene right here. I have all these things right here. I have it on monitor capture right now. These window captures I set up, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to right click, go to add, and then you can add any one of these. You can do another window capture if you want. Just call it whatever, and then you have it set to, say I have that speed test open on my dual monitor, so it's picking that up. I can broadcast that, but you can set it up to whatever you want. I have it set to just do my whole screen. When I play games, I put them in windowed mode, so that and then it picks up the game. The only reason I do that is because for certain games, you can do the window captures for games if you want, and it'll, as long as you have the game running, it should pop up in there. But for certain games, it wasn't picking them up. It was just showing a black screen. So it's just easier to do it in windowed mode, and then it captures your whole monitor. So just easier to do it that way. But you can add all kinds of things if you want. You can add whatever you want to your stream. Just to show you guys, I'll add, here's a picture of my dog. I have my dog on here. Puts it kind of big, but you just click Edit Scene. You can scale it down. I can move them around wherever I want. Pretty easy. You can do that with text. You can do it with images. You can also do it with a webcam, which is what I have it set to. Just do video capture device. I named it as webcam, but whatever, I'll just show you this. There's my webcam right there. Set it to the custom resolution if you want, whichever you want. I have the audio input device disabled. just because I'm using my headset. Just click OK. Okay, already exists, right, because I already have one. So I'll just click it, show you guys. There we go, turn my webcam on. You can do the same thing, edit the scene, move me around if you want, depending on which game you're playing, if you don't want to cover up something, you know, mini-map, whatever. So just move it wherever you guys want. But it's pretty easy to set up. But this is the easiest way to get yourself streaming. And then if you want, you know, do what I do and have it record your streams, and then you can upload those to YouTube too as well. Now, if you want, they do have a way that you can export your videos. The only thing is that sometimes it does not work. It just doesn't want to work for you for whatever reason. Let's just go to my profile, past broadcasts. So here you have some of my broadcasts. If you click on the broadcast itself, you can click right here and go to export, and that'll export it to your YouTube. So you can try that if you want, if you don't want to go through the process of uploading it. I do, just because one video I had to try about 4 times before it finally put it to YouTube, and it was just annoying. And so I ended up the next stream saving it, uploading it to YouTube. Took me about 10 minutes. So it's really just easier that way. But yep, that's pretty much everything you guys need to know on how to set this up. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. You can send me a message and I'll answer them. But I mean, like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory, so you guys should be able to figure it out. And hopefully you guys have fun setting up your stream. Alright, see you later.